Hi, hello, welcome to the last lesson of Unit 6. Okay, we're going to do some review triangle congruence. A lot of this stuff you should have learned previously in different proofs and different grades, probably in middle school for the most part. So let's get going. During this lesson, you're going to learn how to understand what features make triangles congruent. Okay, so some quick vocabulary. We have an included angle. That's an angle included in the congruence, an included side, a side included in the congruence. Corresponding parts means parts of two triangles that are similar or related. Corresponding angles refer to angles that are congruent in similar triangles. Corresponding sides, sides that are in similar position in two triangles. Congruence is exactly the same size and shape. Similarity is items or images that are the same but different sizes. So this is the key part here, this different sizes. Similar triangles are all corresponding pairs of angles are equal. So corresponding pairs of angles are equal and corresponding pairs of sides are proportional. So I have one that's equal and one that's proportional. All right. So angle side angle congruence means two triangles that share the same angle side angle are congruent. So it's key here. So essentially you have two angles that are congruent. Let's get some different colors here. So I have like this angle is congruent to that angle. This congruent angle is congruent to this one. And then it's very specific that I need that side to be in between those two angles, okay? If it's one of the other sides, it doesn't work. It used to be an angle, side, angle. So that's all together. Two angles with the side in between being congruent. That's one thing that we can tell congruency. And that's because with that angle and those side lengths, with that measurement, the other two sides would have to be congruent so that they would meet up. Same thing with this side angle side. Two triangles that share the same side angle side are congruent. So once again, if we look at this, notice I have two sides and then the angle in between. That's important. Make sure that angle is in between those two congruent sides. Angle side congruence. So two triangles that share two of the same angles and a side not between the two angles are congruent. That also works for this, that by angle side. That also is congruent there. Side of two triangles that share the same side are congruent. So they have three sides that are congruent. That is something that we can then say, yep, these two triangles are congruent. Angle tells us similarities. That's the key here. So two triangles that share the same angle are similar. We can't really say that they are congruent, but we would probably say that they're similar, which means they're proportional. Okay, congruence versus similarity. Remember that congruent means that angles and corresponding sides are the same. So angles and sides are the same. Where similar means that I have angles that are the same, but sides are proportional. So that's kind of the key there. All right, so that's very basic. Hopefully you enjoyed this unit. I will catch you next time. If you have any questions, like always, please come and talk to me. Take it easy, and we'll see you later.